Hello, food lovers. Today we're diving into an incredible kitchen hack that will change the way you enjoy cucumbers. Whether it's for your salads, snacks, or just a crunchier bite, we've got the secret to doubling your cucumber's hardness. Stick around to transform your cucumbers like never before. Have you ever wondered how to make your cucumbers twice as hard? Today we're unraveling a food hack that's going to revolutionize your kitchen adventures. Cucumber hardness is a quality that dramatically influences the texture and taste of this versatile veggie. By doubling the hardness, we're going to unlock a level of crunchiness you've never experienced before. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around to learn how to take your cucumbers to the next level of crunchiness. First, let's understand what makes a cucumber hard. The hardness of a cucumber is all about its texture and water content. A fresh cucumber is typically firm and full of water, which gives it that satisfying crunch. It's a delightful sensation, whether you're biting into a salad or enjoying a cucumber slice on its own. But what if we told you that there's a way to make that crunch even more pronounced? That's right, we're talking about doubling the hardness of your cucumbers. The secret lies in understanding and manipulating the cucumber's water content. By controlling this, you can enhance the firmness and crunchiness of the cucumber, giving your taste buds an even more delightful experience. So, how can we enhance the hardness of cucumbers? Stay tuned. In the next segment, we'll take a deep dive into the science behind cucumber hardness and reveal the ultimate food hack to double their crunchiness. The secret lies in the science of cucumbers. You see, cucumbers are essentially water reservoirs, comprising of about 95% water. This high water content is what gives cucumbers their refreshing crunch. But to make them even crunchier, we need to manipulate this water content without dehydrating the cucumber. Now, how can we achieve this? Through the process of osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane, like the cell walls of a cucumber, from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration. By placing cucumbers in a concentrated salt solution, we create an environment where the water inside the cucumber cells wants to move out. This process helps to strengthen the cell walls, making the cucumber firmer and crunchier. Now that we understand the science, we can proceed to the actual food hack. Now, on to the food hack. Doubling the hardness of your cucumbers isn't rocket science, but it does require a bit of finesse and patience. Let's walk through the process step by step. First off, selection. You want to start with fresh, firm cucumbers. The fresher the cucumber, the better the results. So, when you're at the market or grocery store, look for cucumbers that have a bright green color and no blemishes. They should feel firm to the touch, not soft or squishy. Once you've got your cucumbers, it's time for preparation. Begin by washing your cucumbers thoroughly. This is to remove any dirt or residue that may be on the skin. Then, slice them according to your preference. But remember not to slice them too thin. About 1/2 inch works best for this hack. Next up, the brining solution. This is where the magic truly begins. You'll need to mix a brining solution of salt water. For every cup of water, you'll want to add 2 tablespoons of salt. This level of salt concentration is crucial for drawing out just enough moisture through osmosis, strengthening the cell walls and making the cucumbers firmer. With your brining solution ready, it's time for the soaking. Soak your cucumber slices in the brine for at least 2 hours. If you can, leave them soaking overnight. This is where the osmosis happens. The salt in the brining solution will draw out moisture from the cucumbers, enhancing their crunchiness and doubling their hardness. After the cucumbers have soaked for the appropriate amount of time, it's time to rinse and dry them. Rinse your cucumbers under cold water to remove the excess salt. You don't want them to be overly salty, just crunchy. Then, pat them dry gently with a kitchen towel. For the final touch, chill your cucumbers in the refrigerator for about an hour before serving. This isn't a mandatory step, but it does give an extra crunch to your cucumbers. Cold temperatures further firm up the texture, making them even more enjoyable to munch on. And there you have it! A step-by-step guide to doubling the hardness of your cucumbers. It's a simple process, but the results are truly amazing. You'll end up with cucumbers that are twice as hard, twice as crunchy, and twice as satisfying to eat. Whether you're adding them to a salad, using them as a base for appetizers, or just enjoying them as a snack, these cucumbers will surely elevate your culinary experience. And with that, you now have cucumbers that are twice as hard. Trust me, once you try this hack, you'll never want to eat cucumbers any other way, so go ahead, give it a shot. Your taste buds will thank you. But how do these cucumbers taste? I hear you ask. Well, let's find out together, shall we? First, we'll try a regular cucumber slice. It's cool, crisp and refreshing, just as you'd expect. But now, let's compare it to our transformed cucumber. Having soaked in our salt brine and chilled in the refrigerator, this cucumber promises to deliver a crunch that's twice as hard. And as we bite into it, wow! The difference is instantly noticeable. The flavour is just as fresh and delicious, but the texture, it's like we've taken the crunch factor up a notch or two. The cucumber now has a satisfying snap to it, and the firmness really brings out its natural juiciness. It's a simple change, but the impact on the texture is truly remarkable. The difference is remarkable, isn't it? This food hack gives a whole new meaning to the phrase cool as a cucumber. Try it yourself and taste the difference. Now that you have crunchier cucumbers, what can you do with them? Well, the culinary world is your oyster, or in this case, your cucumber. Their enhanced texture makes them a fantastic addition to your salads, adding an extra layer of crunch that will make every bite more satisfying. How about using them as a base for appetizers? Top them off with a dollop of cream cheese and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a refreshing and crunchy bite. Or, why not treat yourself to a healthy snack? Just a sprinkle of chili powder and a squeeze of lime can transform these cucumbers into a zesty, tongue-tingling treat. And let's not forget pickling. With their increased firmness, these cucumbers are perfect for pickling, ensuring you'll have a crunchy condiment ready at any time. The possibilities are endless with your new and improved cucumbers. So there you have it. We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of cucumbers, exploring the science behind their hardness and revealing a simple yet effective hack to double their crunch. We've learned that the secret lies in manipulating the cucumber's water content through a process of osmosis, using a simple brining solution. This food hack not only enhances the texture of your cucumbers, but also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. From adding an extra crunch to your salads to serving as a base for appetizers or simply enjoying them as a refreshing snack, these firmer cucumbers will surely elevate your food game. And the best part, it's so easy to do right in your own kitchen. No fancy equipment, no complicated procedures, just a little bit of time and patience. So why not give it a shot? Go ahead and experiment with this fun food hack. Give this hack a try and experience the difference for yourself. Before we end this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more kitchen magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative food hacks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy crunching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of food hacks.